This video will show you how to ensure that you receive a notification from Just Go when you receive a booking through Just Go. You will also receive an email from Stripe, but that doesn't have much detail in it. So the first thing you do is you go to Menu, you scroll down to your Email Management tile, click the Events filter, and then go to the Event Booking Email. You can see that that is toggled to on, so it's the one that gets used. We're going to edit that. I'm going to scroll down a bit. And in the content edit, excuse me, the content edit part in the CC, we're going to add the email address for your provider. That's what I'm going to put in there. That ensures that when someone books, you should be copied into that email and will receive a copy of it. And if you continue to scroll down, once it loads, you'll see the details that's in the email. Scroll right down a little bit further and we can save that. And that is that. That should mean that when you receive a booking through Just Go, you'll get a copy of the email that your candidate will receive. The other thing you can do as well, if you want to look at payments that you've received, is go to your payment history. So again, we click Menu, we scroll down to, I think I've missed it, Payment History. And you can see that payment receipts, this is the sandbox that I'm using, which is why it's a little bit slow. If I had any payments, if I'd received payments via Just Go, they'd be showing here and I could double click on them and see what it was for and how much it was and the fees and all that sort of thing. And that is that.